Like we discussed earlier, I have a life coach client who offers local offline sessions. I started running ads for her, and even though the campaign was spending only a small amount in the beginning, it still managed to bring in a few results. And I was using the autopay option with card payments.
The moment I changed or created a new ad account, and like we are doing manual payment, like we are not getting leads from that particular area after that, and we are not getting like leads from like we are getting leads from out of that area. So I don't know, like I unchecked that reach toggle that you told me earlier, where uncheck that reach the people or interested people, so that they can't click over there.
Are you using the same pixel?
No, see, the person, like the coach is not willing to send their traffic on a website, although they have a landing page, but they are willing to get the leads on WhatsApp itself.
What's sending leads to WhatsApp is the recipe where businesses fail, or it's more like Afghanistan. Okay, that's where kingdoms go to shackles or ruins. Okay, so
Okay.
it's never a good idea to send your leads to WhatsApp, even though the volume is high. It's just a vanity metrics. So
Okay.
first thing is, inside the new ad account, start sending them to, like, if the friction is low, why would you expect quality people to come in? So
Mhm.
what you have to make sure over there is that you have to have a landing page if you want serious people. If you want volume, definitely WhatsApp and instant form are a really good option. But if you want really serious people who are ready to purchase from you, you'll have to do many things other than this. Okay, you'll have to get them to landing page, fill a form, which is a detailed form where you're asking a lot of questions to them. Post that, you are sending a hell lot of content to them where you are educating them about your business, so that before coming to the VSL or before coming to the webinar, they are more educated about the business already, and when they come over there, they convert. There are so many equation, or there are so many variables to this equation, that you have to get that correct. WhatsApp is the most useless part of this equation, which I would be like, I would eliminate, or I would want to eliminate.
Okay, understood.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay, we'll just tell you what's wrong with your account, and if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.